You ever go to pick up your board, only to realize you only got one bolt? You can't do shit with that. But what if you could replace it with something? Say, shoelaces. All I'm gonna do is get rid of the other bolt and use some shoelaces in place of them. Now the shoelaces, they should hold the truck in place, but be flexible enough to move with it. So they gotta make firmer shoelaces. I guess we got the truck on technically. Definitely looks a little fucking jacked, but let's see if it rides. Actually rides pretty easily. What if you really only have one bolt or no bolts and you got to use two shoelaces? Let's see if that works. Probably, maybe, I don't know. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, popped right through, baby. So glad I took those adult education classes to learn how to tie my shoes. Fucking finally coming in handy. That's a double shoelace board right there. Whoa. Whoa, definitely, it makes turning is way more difficult. Two trucks, and they flop a little, but they stay on. Honestly, I think the shoelaces work.